Big companies are saving millions of dollars with Snowflake, but how exactly? Today, we walk through 6 real-world use cases that prove why Snowflake is the data platform trusted by Fortune 500 enterprises around the globe. Let us dive in. Number 1. Retail. Retail companies use Snowflake to track customer buying behavior in real time. Live product recommendations, smarter promotions, and instant insights into what is selling, all powered by Snowflake's zero-copy sharing and lightning-fast analytics. Number 2. Banking. Banks detect fraud instantly using live transaction data. When suspicious activity hits the system, Snowflake flags it in milliseconds, stopping millions in potential losses before they ever happen. Number 3. Healthcare. Healthcare teams securely combine patient data across facilities and then use it to make better medical decisions. Every byte stays HIPAA-compliant, every query is fully audited, and clinicians get insights that help save lives. Number 4. Marketing. Marketing teams track every ad, every click, and every conversion in one place, then use that unified view to dramatically improve ROI. No more stale reports, no more guesswork. Number 5. Technology. Tech companies run fully scalable analytics without managing a single server. Zero operations, infinite scale. That frees engineers to focus on building products, not babysitting infrastructure. Number 6. Global scale. From banks and hospitals to leading retailers and Fortune 500 giants, Snowflake is trusted everywhere in every region around the entire world. That is why Snowflake is not just a data warehouse, it's a real business advantage. Day 10 complete. Next up, Snowflake Data Governance. Follow, comment, and subscribe to catch every day of this Snowflake series.